The $100,000 per month copy me method to make money online, guys. So I already have multiple students getting money, making money online. Let's go. No students yet at $100,000 a month. So if you think you're a student who can make $100,000 a month and you believe in yourself and you follow these methods step by step that I'm giving you, then you can definitely do it. You could totally make $100,000 per month. You have to believe in yourself is the first step, like for sure. Because some people don't even think it's possible, and so they mess up that whole first step. So the copy me method is first, make a YouTube channel. Then promote the Money Accelerator or the Money Generator. And then step 3 is see what I have done and what I am doing, and then basically copy me. So if you go over onto my YouTube channel here, you're able to see a bunch of videos. Over time, I've just documented my journey. I've made a lot of crappy videos that are like super low quality cameras. It doesn't matter, okay? Like I've just documented my journey, just sharing what I've learned, just sharing like my results, just showing the money I've made online, just like trying to give value here and there, just like sharing advice. And if you do that exact thing too, you guys will be able to build an income stream of at least $100,000 a month, okay? At the minimum, okay? But obviously the minimum is $1 per month. You're for sure not gonna make just $1 a month if you do exactly what I've done here. So what I've done is, and I've discovered this over time, I've realized this over time, because I've just documented my journey for a long time. I finally figured out what works regarding personal branding and stuff like this. And what works is give advice, give value, teach what you know. Teach what you've learned, show the results you're having online, and then recommend good offers to people that can get people results. And that is how you will make money online. And there's a lot of niches out there, guys, but the make money online niche for sure is one of the better niches, okay? I've always done the entertainment niche with my Big Cash Cow channel, but regarding making money online niche, I realized this niche is great. I've realized the self-improvement niche is great. I've realized personal branding is great, and giving value is great, and teaching is great, because there's almost no better niche than this. Because it's way harder to see results when doing entertainment content. Most people can't make entertainment content, but most people can make videos showing their results. Most people can make videos teaching what they know. Most people can make videos just giving value and just sharing advice of what they know and what they've learned, especially. And I'm telling you right now, if you do this, you will get more sales than you know what to do with, especially when you're promoting the Money Generator and the Money Accelerator and the coaching calls and other offers you find that you want to recommend to people. You can recommend softwares to people, all sorts of things to people. So it's been a long journey for me. I've discovered a lot of things that don't work and a lot of things that do work. And I'm just here to tell you guys right now, if you model after me with this method, like this is a method right here, like to make money. This is the copy me method. Like just copy me. Other people you follow, you'll realize like if you give advice, you're going to make money. You could do paid ad methods, but they're too risky. You could do methods where you enter into a niche, but there's no money there. If you enter into this niche, I guarantee to you right now, there is money to be made here because everyone wants to make more money. The make money niche is one of the better niches out here. And I only realized that throughout my journey over time. So here's what you do. Step 4 is give value to people. Step 5 is teach to people. Step 6 is after you've done that, then start showing your results and then keep teaching people, giving value, just sharing what you're doing, how you've made money, what you're doing, like your journey, and then recommend the different offers to people so they can make money online too and get results too. And when you do this, you crush it. I'm serious, because it's just a value exchange. When you give value, people want to keep getting value from you. And so when you recommend good offers to people, you crush it. And the Money Accelerator and the Money Generator are designed to get people results, to make people money, step-by-step methods inside and skills to be gained and value and bonuses and everything inside those two offers. And so one of them's a lower ticket offer. You're going to get a lot of sales of that one, the Money Generator, and then the Money Accelerator, a little bit higher ticket offer around $97, which I don't think is very high ticket compared to how much I should be charging for it because there's just so much value, actual value inside of there that is worth way more than $97 a month. But anyway, you're going to get a lot of sales of that. And I already have tons of affiliates promoting. Everyone's making money. Everyone who's listening to what I'm saying here is making money. But if you do this exact method, there's almost no method that's better than this unless you make like super content that gets a million views plus. That's where you make the big money. And then step 7 is just call to action people to go and buy from your link. Recommend the different offers to people. You don't just have to promote like the Money Accelerator and Money Generator, but I do know that those offers are like, I over deliver in those offers. Like I go above and beyond, and I'm going to always be updating those offers forever. Like I want my personal brand to be making people money like crazy. I want to be getting people results like crazy, and that is the goal here. Step 8 is be consistent. Like keep going. You're going to get more and more sales. Keep showing sales. Keep showing you're making money online. Keep giving advice and value to people. Tell people what you're learning. Give advice, give value to people, give tutorials to people, help people out. Try to make great content and always improve your content. Try to upload Creative Commons videos. Try to combine great videos together and make super videos. I'll have super videos out in the future when you're watching this in the future. Like I'll have for sure some super videos that are over like an hour plus long of tons of value. I'll definitely have videos like that, so stay tuned for that. And you can see that as an example. And I'm telling you guys right now, if you just copy me of what I'm doing here, I'm giving advice, I'm sharing my results, and I've done that for a few years ever since I've started making money online with YouTube cash cow channels, with paid ads, with adult marketing, with Facebook ads, with Instagram influencers, with many other methods, and just everything across the board what I've done. I've been sharing it, and it's powerful to have a personal brand, guys. And so when you copy me here, I'm telling you, and when you copy other people similar to me in the make money online niches, you're going to make money. You're guaranteed to at least make 10 grand a month, okay? If you just copy what I'm doing here. Like I make way more than that, and you can definitely make way more than that too. Just be consistent with this. You're going to crush it. Thank you for watching this video, Learn Machines. Let's go. Go take action, and peace out, Learning Machines. Peace.